Good morning, everyone. We are here in Moalboal. We are here. Diana is there. Hi.
Good morning.
Good morning. And we are off to do a intro for free diving course for beginners, and this is facilitated by Free Diving Planet. So it's if you are interested on free diving, you can go ahead and check out Free Diving Planet here in Moalboal. And they have a good package. You can go ahead and check out their Facebook page as well. So ito ang goal today is to learn how to tawag ba yun? equalize tapos yes, relaxation and breathing, so that we can go longer in underwater and enjoy the view. So again guys, goal na to, diba? Maka-learn ta og free dive this year. So mo na ni siya ang first step. My gosh, let's go. Come with me. Excited na ko. Are you? Bayot, excited na ka? Di walay kabutangan na mong ka-excited. Hello guys, and we are now here in the instructor's room na mag-briefing nami, mag-lesson for 2 hours, and before me mo exposure sa water. So nanaamong usa ka kauban.
Am I safe to go there? Then we can act and make a plan of action. Okay? So this is what we want to do. We want to be relaxed. We want to breathe slowly. In natural life, you sit comfortable. You are not breathing like this. That's not what we do. Okay? So it's always the same amplitude. Okay? So if we have a track, Debbie with a Y. No. 3, 2, 1. Okay, in there. Slowly with the mouse, Relax. Okay, very good. Okay, very good. So when we will be in the sea,
Here are the things you will need when free diving. First is the mask and the snorkel. The mask should be non-fog, and the snorkel should have a purge so that you can easily get rid of the water once you are up in the surface. Next are the fins. Fins give you more power. Fins allow you to descend or ascend faster with minimum effort. And next is the wetsuit for your warmth and comfort. Neoprene wetsuits are the best because it allows you to float. At the start of the water exposure, we did a lot of warm-up dives. Miss Christine and Sir JP, our instructors, were very passionate in teaching us how to properly equalize. Head down first, going to the bottom. And that's me. Yay! And gracefully ascend back up until some of us went down to at most 10 meters deep. And also, Thank you, Miss Dinah, for the wonderful shots, the awesome aura that we did underwater. Thank you, Madam. I wanted to go back to the ocean just to practice and get the hang of equalizing and really be more comfortable holding your breath and going down. You really need to be calm and be lazy when you go free diving. Lunch is served. So right now we are in Llanos, and this is part of the package. Our lunch is free. Actually brunch. Yan. Sila akong mga kuyog sa dives, guys. Yay! Kaway-kaway! Nice kayo ang place. Oh, there's wall arts painted by Miss Christine, one of our diving instructor earlier. Bamboos. And check out this place, guys. If you happen to be in Moalboal, visit Okeanos, and their barista is hotter than your girlfriend. Coffee is here from my favorite barista in town. If you want perfect coffee, just look for Diana. Tara, sana all perfect daw. Wala. Naunta kay gutom na, pero guys. Hindi, pagiging hapon. Ito na ako sa tubig. Constant practice. Pero never dive alone. Yan pa. Hindi mo, hindi ka diri. Kanang, pwede naman ka maglangoy-langoy. Ay, lang ako sa deep, nandiyan ka ayo. Nakatong 8 meters mo 6 meters nga ikaw ron isa. Unless huwag ka nakailan na dyan ka sa imong lawas. Pero ka nang pakis-pakis pa kanya, mag-ikaw-ikaw ron usa mo. Mapass out pa lang ka. Dito. Mahadlok naman ko anong term nga pass out. Muro na nung untag. Pass out ko. Mabigay ko lang, pass out sa ba siya, debbyboone ugma. Magot na. Ang kanang nag-anxiety ko. Mabigay ko ganin na. Tugod, Diana. Gibaya ako na yan. Ang magunin mo, paasa naman si ate. Nagtungo ko ba na kay tagbo? Ako, pwede ko kabalo magamit o pen. Hindi ko kabalo pen. Maglibog ko. Kanang bisa mag-relax ka mga anak. Hindi ko kabalo anak. Ate, kaya po ko kabalo. Oh my God, kalamian ni Diana. I told you. Murag lami siya kung naadiri sa Okeanos. Pero dito ra sa ato ang balay kay.
Saba ay, Instructor pagka sa mga
Bitaw magbarista training ba?
After lunch, we stopped by at Panagsama Beach, specifically in Chili Bar, wherein we say hello to these amazing sea turtles that are here almost every day. We wanted to practice more freediving, and yeah, it's cool to say hello to my friends. Hi guys, it's me again. So, nag-side trip me diri sa milk station. Wala kayo tao. And camera sa diri. Hi. So, akong gi-order kay meat roll tag 35 o cheese tag 50. Nya siya kay mga choco. Chocolate daw siya.
Supaw hurot ko.
Supaw kay hurot na. So, i-try na to ang ilahang chest. Lami ba?
Lami.
Oh, lami jud. Nikaw na kani? Try. Lami sa ng chocolate. Yummy. Init pa ilang metro. Tag 35 lang. Pasal la in flavor. Cheese la o. Chocolate. See you later. So hopefully I inspire you to try some freediving and just be lazy at the bottom of the sea. See you guys in my next video. Until then, peace, love, and good vibes. Bye.